This past weekend, we broke out the Christmas decorations and started decorating. For you guys that are new here, my name's Angel. I'm mom of two, and it's a whole family affair here. The hubs and the toddler helps out a lot. I'm a little disappointed because I wanted to start the day after Halloween. I'm a little behind, but we are finally starting. As you guys can see, we actually started with a lot of the wrong pieces, and I decided to leave a lot of the real footage in instead of just seeing the perfect straight up put together tree. This is how it actually went. And the cleanup is always, of course, fun. As soon as the hubs went to vacuuming, Ace had to go get his vacuum as well. He's been cleaning and helping out since the day he could walk, and he still does it. Are you vacuuming? And I think it does help that he sees the both of us cleaning, so he usually wants to help clean, which is why we bought him a vacuum. The shirt is from Walmart. I will have a link. Beware of the mess. Stay tuned for the next part of the series where we actually decorate the tree. What we got? Part 2 of setting up our Christmas tree, which started with Ace trying to be the DJ. When I tell you, we had to listen to the same song about 100 times. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to decorate my trees because I get asked every year. This is exactly how I do it. I've been doing this technique for years. Starting with a thick piece of ribbon, I diagonally wrap it around the tree. And here's what Ziri is doing. Hey, Sue. She can't wait to help us. Okay, so moving on to the second thing, I take 2 different color ribbons and I go vertically on the tree with them. Yeah, Ace would not wait. He's like, I'm ready to get these ornaments on the tree. And back to my second color ribbon, I'm going to also put this vertically on the tree. So what I do is I just put 2 different colors around and wrap that vertically around the tree. I love my trees to look plush, and that's why I do my techniques. And then I go in with any of my flowers or picks and put them where there's maybe spaces in the tree. And so far, this is how the tree is looking. I love it. We're going to move on to the ornaments next, which my helper is so ready. Yay! So I start with my bigger ones and I then work my way down to my smaller ones and my more decorative ones. You'll kind of see a variety of ornaments. My colors this year is black, red, and gold, if you haven't noticed by now. Now for my topper this year, I'm going to do 2 bows. I've done this before in the past as well. And it looks like a big old Christmas present and it's easy to put on. And here's the final result. We now need to do my tree skirt. So I like to layer my tree skirts. So I do have this black sweater type of tree skirt and then I'm putting this red with gold snowflakes on top of it. Okay, so tell me, what do you think?